Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a beautiful birthday cake for my little brother. Today is his birthday and I want to use this opportunity to wish him a happy birthday and ask for blessings upon his life. So let's move into the process of making this cake. Begin this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post and notification icon so that I get notified on Thursdays and Sundays when videos are uploaded. We are going to make kind of a roll for the top part of the cake. Since we are making a construction like cake, that's what we are going to do. So I'll roll out the black fondant. And with the aid of this, we are going to cut this. Then we take this part off. We also take this part away from it. And since we are using this, I'll cut it into thin stripes, and then you understand why I'm doing this very soon. Then we cut it into this. And we are going to paint this part with some water, since we'll be sticking the smaller pieces of the white fondant on it to look like kind of a road. Do this for the next part as well, trying to create the small white lines in the road. So this is the final look. We'll place this on the cake after it is frosted. Next, we are going to use this marbled fondant, which I made from a deep colored blue and then a light colored blue of the fondant. So we move on to rolling out the marbled fondant. We will then next, we are going to make traffic lights with this cutouts from the rest of the black fondant. This to fold it into two. So I'll fold it into two to look like this. Then we use the same process of folding to create this shape here for the next traffic light. Fondant to which looks like this to make this small holes in the top part of the traffic light to look like this. So I'll use water to brush the inner parts of the holes to secure the hole. Then place it back into it. And do the same for this side as well. This is how it will look like. Then we move on to using this as the bottom part of the traffic light, but we'll cover it with this fondant. So I'm going to reset the sticks. And this is it. So this is the first one. We'll do same for the second one too. This is the second one too. So I'm going to do same for this stop sign I created here. This is it as well. These are already covered or crumb coated cake which you are going to use. If you want to know how this is done, you can check out the birthday cake I made for my mom a few weeks ago. Or I think it's a month now, so that was in April. The full details. Cover this cake with this blue frosting here until every part of the cake is covered. Going to cover the bottom part of the cake with the fondant like this. This flower cutter here to make these shapes and then place them onto the cake to look like kind of a cloud. So here we are using edible food pen to paint piece of fondant to look like a sun, which we place on the left side of the cake. When that is done, we are going to place the first portion of the roll on top of the cake like this. Then we continue with the rest. We place it down. Going to add this, which is our traffic light, to the cake. Add the next traffic light to it. Then we are going to add our stop sign to this part of the cake. To add the cars to the cake. For the finishing touch on top of the cake, we are going to add the crackers onto the top part of the cake. Pour some into the truck and then pour the rest here. I'm going to use this frosting here to write happy birthday at this portion. Finally, after writing the happy birthday, we add his name to it, which is Elvis. And this is the final look of the written aspects of the cake. So this is the final look of the birthday cake. This is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This year, I'll be very happy that any recipe that I post, you'll be able to try it out at home and then give me feedback in the comment section. Until we meet again, dear viewers, bye bye.